Stop. Don't make this huge mistake on Hostinger. You might have migrated your site, but forgot to update DNS or point your record. That missed DNS change means visitors see site not found where your old site still lives on. Or worse, name servers still pointed elsewhere, keeping traffic from reaching Hostinger. And without updating records, your SSL won't issue. No padlock, no trust. It's a silent outage that kills traffic and conversions. Fix it now. Here's how to fix it in under a minute. Step 1. Copy your Hostinger IP from the hPanel details page and open your domain DNS. Update the A record to that IP, set TTL low, and remove old A records. If you use Hostinger name servers, change them now. This routes everything correctly. Enable Auto SSL in hPanel, force HTTPS, and purge cache. Your site should return. Now check your domain in a browser. Use a DNS checker and double-check settings. Go check your Hostinger settings now.